Hi everyone, my name is Hanny, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup, which I'm currently wearing. As you can see, it's a black and white cut crease with brown lipstick and some amazing falsies. I hope you like it, and on to the video. I'm starting off with a clean face and some mattifying primer to reduce every shine on my face. As you can see, I usually apply my primer with my fingers, but make sure your fingers are clean. Next up is foundation. I use a pretty light foundation since I'm a pale-faced person and blend it in using a beauty blender. After this, I use concealer to hide the dark circles under my eyes and highlight some spots. Of course, if there's light, there needs to be darkness, which I'm creating with some contouring. Then the concealer and the contourer in as well. After setting my makeup, I like to do some baking and go over my cream contour with contouring powder. Sometimes when my contour doesn't want to blend as much, I go in with a fluffy powder brush and blend it out even more. Now into the fun part. I prime my eyes and use an eyeshadow as close to my skin tone as possible, or even lighter, to set the base. And at this point, excuse my messy palette, one of my lipsticks fell on it and I wasn't able to clean it up. For YouTube makeup tutorial style, I did the one eye first off camera to get a hang of what I'm doing. I began with applying a black eyeshadow on the lid by packing it on with an eyeshadow brush and blending it out towards the outer corner of my eyes with a fluffy blending brush in a circular motion. And of course blend it under the eye as well. I know I forgot to show it in the footage, but do as I say and not as I do. After that, I go in with my eyeshadow base and a small flat brush and cut the crease. I'm sorry if I'm kind of out of frame, this is my first video and I'm trying to get the hang of it. To set the base, I pack on a white shimmering eyeshadow. As you can see, the line between the two colors is pretty harsh, so I'm going back in with my fluffy brush and a little bit of product to blend that black in and soften the line, and I'm doing some touch-ups. I used the wet shimmer again to pop a brow bone highlight, and that's it for the eyeshadow. Using a thin eyeliner, I created a winged eyeliner while being completely out of frame. And I've added an inner corner wing as well. After that, I used a white eyeliner to create a line under the wings. Then I went in with another eyeliner and lined both of my waterlines. Throw on your mascara on the upper and lower lashes and your eyes are almost done. To finish the eye makeup, I've added some pretty dramatic falsies, and I like to use some lip balm. Next step is to highlight your face. I like to highlight on my cheekbones, my nose tip, and my cupid's bow. The final step to complete this look is to add lipstick. I chose a neutral brown one since it's dark enough to match with the eye makeup, but still decent enough to keep the attention on the eyes. What do you think of this look? Thank you for watching my first video. If you have any ideas how I can improve myself, please leave a comment down below. Bye!